Imagine receiving 500 invoices. Some are PDFs, some are scanned, some are emails with attachments, some have completely different layouts. Now ask yourself, do you really want to create templates, train extractors, and maintain them every time a new vendor appears? No, right? That's exactly why UiPath introduced IXP. And trust me, it's much more than just another document understanding feature.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bot Bros where automation meets an action.
In this video, we are going to understand what IXP is, why it was introduced, and explore the IXP platform and its core concepts. If you are learning modern document processing or preparing for your UiPath interviews, this video is for you.
So let's start with what is IXP. Let me explain in simple. It's a multimodal data extraction platform which converts unstructured text documents into structured data for our automations. Okay, so it works based on generative AI extractions. So what it means, like with the help of the natural language prompts, we can tell the system exactly what data we are looking for and it will just pull out for us. So it's that much simple.
Now let's understand the main components of IXP platform. That means like we will just overview how the IXP platform looks like and what are its main components. Before that, let me show you how you can enable IXP. Go to the admin section. Okay, you can see here admin button, click on it, let it load. Okay, after this click on tenant, then the services, and you can see here IXP. If not, just go here, click add service, and you can enable from here IXP like actions. There will be IXP, click on it and add. So it will be available here, and basically it will be available under the more. Okay, so let's start. So when you open the IXP, you will basically see first of all three options: communication data, unstructured and complex document, and structured and semi-structured documents. So communication data is for the communication mining. So middle one, that is second option, unstructured and complex document, it's for the IXP. And structured and semi-structured document is document understanding. Let me show you. If you click on this, it will open the document understanding projects. See, okay. So let me close this. So this is the one you need to select, or it's always auto selected, unstructured and complex document. Okay.
Let's see now each component of the IXP. Let me start from the create project. So for explaining each terms of IXP, I will show you with the help of one of the example. Let's start to creating the project. Suppose I will create the loan test, create on the blank. Okay, let it load. Okay, now it's loaded completely. Once you click on the create project and add the name, then you can, after creating project, you can see the first option is like field or group or import. Okay, so what does this mean? Like for the document understanding, you are just creating the taxonomy, or suppose the fields or the field groups, which fields you need to extract, or the field groups. Okay, so the same way we need to start from the for the IXP also. Okay, we'll click on the field group. This is the very main component, or we can say as the section of the IXP, because based on this only the extraction is going to work in the IXP. Okay, so what is means, like first we need to create the field group. Okay, suppose we have the loan documents and we need to extract the fields from the loan document. So for this I will create the field group called suppose loan details. Okay, under this I can add the different fields. Suppose I will add, for example, loan amount, and one more thing called loan terms. Terms means tenure of the loan. Okay, so I created the two fields. Okay, now that's fine, but in the document understanding we are indicating that particular fields. Okay, but here we are writing the instructions. Okay, that is the big difference between IXP and document understanding. Instruction means we'll just write the generic prompts. So IXP overall works on the GNI extraction, right? So that's the reason. Let me add the simple prompts here. I will show you. Let's add extract loan amount from document. Suppose this amount is on front page, like I will add the another sentence like it will be available on first page. Okay, and for the loan term I will add like extract loan terms slash tenure, because there will be a different wording for this also, right? Like loan terms, tenure, like it in the months or in the years, whatever. extract loan term tenure from document. I will add like it will be available next to loan amount field. Okay, lot of things. Okay, and this loan term will be the integer, right? So I will add like it is a number, and loan amount is also the number. Okay, that's it. So we can see now we have added the field group, then the fields and the instructions, okay, to extract. So it is the JNI extraction. That's the reason we need to add the prompts here. Okay, and the field type, data types. So what is this annotated counts? Annotated counts means number of documents we have indicated. Suppose we have added 100 documents here for the purpose of the prediction of the fields. So that count will be applied here. So suppose for loan amount I indicated 10 documents, it will add 10 here. Loan terms, I just indicated 5 documents, it will just add the count as a 5 only. That's how it will work. So I will click on the save. So once this is done, we'll go to the home page of the project and let's see. Let me click on the project name. Okay, so this is how actually IXP project home screen looks like. Okay, here we can see option called upload documents. Let me upload the sample documents I have. So here you can see all the upload documents at the bottom. Let it load. See, here is now one, there will be multiple, it will be added here. After upload documents, you have the another term called minus taxonomy. So this is the same where actually we created before the fields. See this one. So we can add multiple from here and we can add the instructions also. Let me come back. So let's go to the validate prediction. It is the same thing like that we have seen from the before. From the document also we can navigate, or from here also we can navigate to check the validations. Okay, let me go to the back. So we have completed build phase, upload documents, taxonomy, validate predictions, and we have indicated our documents also. Okay, so these are the main components of the IXP. So apart from this, for the measuring purpose, how the actually our project is performing, how the entire IXP model is performing for us, that we can see from here. Okay, so it will show the project score for us, then the error rate, and if you come to the below, you can see the field level also. Suppose long term field is not identified by the prompts. Okay, so in that case the error rate will be like 50% or it will be the 0. So it will be error rate will be like average. So there are 10 documents, out of 5 are identified and 5 are not, then it will be according to, it will be show the error rate or the score percentage, how much it's extracted. Okay, so how you can modify. Okay, suppose the term loans field is not indicated, so we can't indicate fields here. Likewise in the document understanding, we need to go in the prompts, we need to modify the prompts, and we need to validate again. Okay, in the IXP all the things are working through the prompts only, because it's a GenAI based extractions. Okay, so you need to, for the each time you need to go in the prompts and change the prompts. Okay, and you can see the here total annotations counts also, means how many documents you have annotated these fields. Okay, that's it. This is the simple measure terms. Okay, so we don't need to do here anything. We can just navigate here for checking the project validations and the scores, and here option called publish. So from here we can publish our project, so it will be available to be used in the UiPath Studio, or suppose the Maestro level if you wanted to call from there also. Okay, so here we can see the two options, live or staging, and we can just simply click on the publish. That's it. One more thing actually I wanted to show you, that is the model configuration. So if you click on the model configuration, you can see current model is Gemini and the GPT also. So the UiPath is coming with bring your own model structure for here also. Likewise for the agents we have our bring your more model. So for the IXP also there will be option for the bring your own model feature. Here currently two options, GPT and Gemini, so we can select between those, and that's it. So these are the simple terms for the IXP. So we are done with the overview of the IXP. So just keep things in the mind that IXP works on the GenAI prompt based extractions. So in the build phase we have the main term called here minus taxonomy. So this is going to be a very important thing here, and adding the prompts here properly. So the based on this only the extraction will be going to happen. So with this we are at the end of the video. So we have explained all the basics components, or we can say the sections of the IXP. Now so we are going to upload the IXP demo. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified. Thank you.